Hey guys, today let's learn how to unsubscribe from all unwanted emails on your Gmail. So if you want to go ahead and unsubscribe from this email notifications and those emails that you don't want to receive anymore, all we need to do is to go ahead and tap on our Gmail applications right here. Alright guys, so once you're already here, of course, preferably you're gonna subscribe or you may receive some email newsletters that you may have subscribed to from the past. So all you need to do to unsubscribe from those is to basically choose those emails that you'd see annoying. So in this case, I think this is an annoying email that just looks like an ad. It also looks like just an email newsletter. So I'm gonna scroll all the way down and you should see the option to unsubscribe over here on the bottom. So as you see, it says right here, if you'll prefer to receive this type of email in the future, please unsubscribe. So if you want to go ahead and do so, let's just go ahead and tap on unsubscribe. And of course, we will be redirected to the website of the specific email. And then let's tap on never save preferences, and now it is finally saved. Now from there, you could also do the same with other emails that you see over here that is annoying for you or unwanted. You could also go ahead and tap on right here. As you see, it's the same thing. Tap on unsubscribe, and we will be redirected to their website. Okay, we're now unsubscribing, and let's now go ahead and do the same with other emails that we don't really want to see anymore. But basically, you get the point. That is all for this video, guys. If you guys learned something, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.